Good morning, pretties. Good morning, good morning, good morning. When I tell y'all, my new robe has really been coming in clutch because I just been stacking so many of these Kleenex tissues that my grandma gave me. Literally got sick before New Year. I'm going to finish eating up my breakfast and I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit later after I'm like clean up a little bit because I do have a couple packages coming in today, so I really want to have some space and not have my whole apartment cluttered. I just can't. Everything is pretty much in order. I just haven't like washing clothes. I'm trying to like get all the germs out of my house. When I tell y'all we Lysoling everything, I'm gonna Lysol this area when I'm done. Like, I'm not playing. I do not want to get sick again. I'm gonna start taking my zinc. I promise. My vitamin C, vitamins every single day because I don't got the I can't taste this, but I'm pretty sure it's a good 10. My packages came in and I'm so excited. The first package that I got is from Mara MMA Clothing. First of all, I've been waiting for this package for a whole month, so I need to open this like right now to make sure everything looks cute because I got it in pre-order. It's sweatsuit season. Stop playing with me. I got a size extra small in this sweatsuit. This is, I think it's called the Brown Acid sweatsuit. Like, it's very basic name. It's just what it is. I got this from her Black Friday sale, and I know it's supposed to be a little bit big, like the fit, so that's why I got an extra small because I don't want it to be too big. I kind of want it to fit me like, you know, cute and tight. This kind of like gives like a mauve purple, but I'm not even mad because I think I have too many brown sweatsuits anyways. But we're gonna try this on real quick because I'm actually like not even mad about it because I honestly have so much brown clothing anyway because she's actually so cute. One thing though, like, it's a dump in the trunk for real. Like, I'm about to stop traffic. I just feel like the fit for like petite girls is definitely there. Like, she knew what she was doing. She's catering to everybody because I know she has this long enough to fit taller girls as well. Cause it is pretty long on me, I'm not gonna lie. I'm 4'11", 5 feet on a good day, so you already know. I'm excited that she looks so cute on me. Cause it's hard for short girls too. I just feel like once you add the hoodie, like, you just fly girl activated. Fly girl too. They love me already, and it's so funny, y'all, because I have been manifesting working with this brand for like a good, like, I want to say 5 months maybe, and they finally reached out to me. I know what I got, but like, I want to like see it in person and see the quality and everything, so I'm definitely gonna open this up like with you guys. I literally went to Target for one thing, but I just remembered I went to Michael's first. I kind of want to like give my home like a tradition of like just having pictures and memories of like places I went and just people that I love. I found this cute gold like sparkly scrapbook, and it's black on the inside, which I never saw before, but I think that's perfect because, you know, pictures are always printed out white. I literally found the cutest gold picture frame. Like, literally, stop. 4 in here, and they're just like perfect because I feel like I'm going to put my baby's pictures in here. Yes, both of my dogs. I literally already have it planned out. I'm gonna have 2 pictures of them together and then obviously 2 of them separately. And I literally was like, I need a 2x3 because I wanted to see how it was gonna look before I order more because I don't know how good Walgreens like pictures quality is, whatever. Y'all already know she's adorable. This is not what I wanted her pictures to look like, because why, you see, I see all that like white spacing. I tried it in one of the picture frame just to see what it was gonna look like. Why I can't. This is not gonna work. And now we're gonna get into all the unnecessary stuff that I brought from Target. So first things first, I found this popcorn ceramic bowl. It's super cute and it's like so aesthetic. Like, I just love this. I already know I have like popcorn bowls, but they're not as aesthetically pleasing as this one. I just love the design. Super well made, it's good quality, and it's just so cute. When I found out that Target had glass straws, I had to get some because I've been wanting glass straws for so long. And I have some that come with my glasses that I have that I got from Marshall's. Super cute. Like, they come with their own little glass straw, which I love, but I wanted some like individual ones just to have so I could drink like obviously my other glasses that I have. How did I forget about these, y'all? And I literally just brought them. I just want to see how they was gonna look in my cabinet. Totally forgot that fast. I also got these pretty cups. Like, are y'all kidding me? These are so cute, and they're like the trendy, I don't even know how to describe this. It's the trendy cups that everybody sees all over, like, you know, TikTok, Instagram Reels, all over the place. And like I said, I got the glass straws, so when I drink like my regular glasses like those, I could have some glass straws. I had to get my glass straws. I've been wanting these for so long, so I got like these yellow like gold almost color, and I also got the regular clear because why not? This is so cute. I'm so excited. It's a little bit longer for this cup, and the gold ones I really thought were gold at first. They're really yellow, but they look gold, and I really want to get more, but I got the last one of this color. Next things I got are for, of course, the new year, like dealing with like organization. I ended up getting a dispenser for like your foil and also plastic wrap. And my drawer that I keep like my aluminum foil and my Ziploc bags in looks atrocious. So I'm excited to decorate it or organize it a lot better. And then I also found this as well, like the little sandwich like organizer thing as well. But yeah, I also got the same like type of design, but this one is for the sandwich like Ziploc bag. So I'm really excited to put them in the drawer. I want to see if it actually fits right now. Okay, that fits. Trying to figure out why is this taller than the Ziploc bag. I don't like that. Oh no, I'm mad tight now because this is even closed with this in it. Now I have to find me a skinny one that's also bamboo, because why is this, again, like I was just saying that at the store too, like why is it so much thicker than this? That's two things that I did not go into Target for. So I also found this in the bullseye section as well. I need to get me another pack because I didn't know I had so many containers in my like cleaning closet. I don't know why I thought this said it had 12 in this pack. They're only $1 and there's just some dry erase labels and they're clear. They also have, I think, like a beige color as well, or like a black color. I don't know, I think it's beige though. But they just look like this, and you just clip them on like the acrylic clear containers, and you could just like write with a dry erase marker. And then last thing I got is some vanilla pumpkin scented wax melts, because I just recently got me a wax melter and I've never had one, so I don't know how to act when I tell y'all I brought so many wax melts. It's ridiculous. Like literally I already have about like 6 packs. It smells just like a flower. It smells super pretty. Then I also got mango cheesecake, and these are all from Walmart. So the fact that I literally have so many, y'all, like I have too many. Now everything else that I brought from Target I literally went in there for. So I got 2 boxes of cereal because I really wanted to try these. I've been looking at these since they first came out. I don't even eat cereal, but I wanted to try these. I got the apple pie toast crunch, and I also got the gingerbread toast crunch as well, and these both look so good. And I also brought me some milk. Like I said, I don't even eat cereal, so I had to give me the whole, you know, ingredients. I got both of the dog matching pajamas. Was this on my list? No. These look so tiny, but they're just so cute because they're some cute little tiny chunky dogs, so they don't have grooming right now. Then I also found y'all nephew a cute little sweater coat. I think this one is so cute. He doesn't really have any like sweaters or like coats. Only sweater jacket that he has is his Gucci one, and I don't want to wear that all the time because obviously it's a little Gucci little designer piece. Like he cannot wear it all the time, and I just think this is perfect for him. I think he's gonna be so cute. And everything else that I got is stuff that I needed, like as far as like me just keeping up my maintenance and then me just like restocking on things that I was gonna run out with real soon. First things first, I had to give me some more razors. I only got me one because it comes with 5 razor refills, which I feel like is really good, because obviously I don't want to keep buying a razor because razors can get expensive the more you keep buying it. And you know, I'm just a girl, and it's just super cute and like girly. It's like a nice like sparkly design, so I love that. And I'm used to having, what is it, the Venus brand I think is what it's called. So I never tried other brands before, but I really wanted to see what Billy was about. Like even in the winter, sometimes I like to shave my legs, like not all the time, but like for a cute little occasion. Next I got me some powdered puff like little duos because I don't have like enough. I only have one by Elf, and my one from Elf, I feel like I like it. I just feel like it's not as soft as I want it to be, especially for under my eyes. So I wanted to get me like a velvet like kind of like fill one, and this one is supposed to be like a velvet fill, heart shape, and one is black and one is pink. So I feel like that's really cute. I also ended up getting me some Garnier micellar water. This is the micellar water gentle pilling water. Wait. First of all, I thought I got regular micellar water. I only use micellar water for removing my makeup, so like now I'm kind of like skeptical, like what the hell did I just do? I'm mad tight now. Like I'm about to run out my micellar water, bro, and this is not what I wanted. I got me some apple cider vinegar gummies. Literally, it sounds so disgusting, but it's so many benefits to this. If you know, you know. It's good for like preventing yeast infection, and also like if you're sexually active and you want to just keep up with, you know, your girly down, your little kitty, get you some of these. Get you some of these, okay? I did get the Dove hot cocoa scrub, and when I tell y'all, this smells just like chocolate. And I did get this also because I do want to get the new Sabrina Carpenter Caramel Dream perfume, and it smells just like chocolate, I heard. So I just feel like that with this. And then last 3 things I got are all from Tree Hut, and they're all the same scent. Because why did I find all these, y'all, for less than $3. And y'all know Tree Hut can be a little bit pricey. So Target had like a big sale on like Tree Hut like holiday scents. You know, I had to get me all of them because hello. So I got their Very Bright foaming gel wash. I've never had Tree Hut foaming gel wash before, so I was hoping that, you know, it doesn't irritate my skin because y'all know I got eczema. Y'all know I always take one for the team. All my eczema girlies out there, I got y'all. We gonna see if it really works for us, alright? But I had to get this because one thing about me, I have to like get matching scents so I can feel like the scent is actually coming out on my skin. Cause I just like, if I just get the Very Bright scrub and not get like the Very Bright foaming wash or like the body butter, what am I really doing? That's another thing that I was really sad about too. They didn't have any more body butters because I would have got so many of those. I keep telling y'all, like, this is the best scent that Tree Hut has ever made. But I got 2 of the scrubs as well. I can't even smell right now because I'm congested. And it has like little seeds with a pomegranate and a grapefruit. So like when you're exfoliating your body, you feel that. Why would they ever make it like this to the point that you can't even put your, like, come on. All right, we good? We recording? All right, today is basically like a maintenance day for me. Like, I did my everything shower, I washed my wig, like I did the whole night. I really need to just get back into everything because this is my last free, quote unquote, because I still have my paid internship. It's like my last week before I have to go back to school, so basically like my school free week, because next week we're gonna get the ball back and rolling. I'm gonna be back in school once again for my 3rd year. Stop. But since we're already was on the topic of, you know, self-care, I did get a few things from Ulta. So first things first, I've been wanting to try Ulta Beauty's body wash for so long. I just been hearing so many good things about it. So I ended up getting Frosting body wash. This is a 3-in-1 body wash, bubble bath, and shampoo. Like, it has that distinct frosting smell, but it doesn't smell like a fake artificial frosting. It has like that real frosting smell, and you guys already know this about me. I love to smell like sweets, like dessert. This is super sweet to me, and I love that. It's exactly what I want to smell like 25-8, like when I tell y'all. And I really want to have a routine with this and my Fenty Beauty cinnamon butter drop, you know, that limited edition one that Rihanna comes out with like every time like around a holiday. I love that body butter. I have to order some more before she stops selling it for the season, but literally that smells like cinnamon rolls, like Cinnabon. Mixed with that, I feel like will be like the perfect combination. Next up, we're gonna get into hair care because I've been really wanting to try Bondi Boost for so long. A lot of black girls use this actually, so I ended up just going with both the HD shampoo and conditioner just so I could try it out. Salon Professional, Australian made, paraben, sulfate, and silicone free, vegan friendly, cruelty free. So I'm super excited to see how this really works for my hair, and the ingredients I love. Last hair care item that I did pick up was from Way. I love Way products. I actually used their detox shampoo in the past. The last time that I washed my hair, I used it. So in love with it. It definitely helps like clean my scalp because you guys know I wash my hair every couple of months. So I really want to try this out because it's supposed to be good for like dry, damaged hair, which y'all know I got. And this really smells really good too. The last things I got are all skincare. And first up, we got Luna Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. I've heard so many good things about this product, and you guys know your girlie is officially 20. I mean, I've been 20 for like a couple of months now. I don't even know why it's official. And I'm about to be 21 in a couple of months. It's like I was not even 20 for that long. I just don't understand what's going on here. I'm not gonna lie. Like, time is moving too fast. I wanted to try Sunday Riley's Sleeping Night Oil because it's supposed to have like retinol oil in it, which reduces the appearance of pores and also wrinkles. Now, I mentioned my age because your girl is getting older. Of course, I'm not old, but we're getting older. We don't want to risk it. I'd rather just start early and just start with products that I know will work. And I heard so many good things about Sunday Riley, and I'm just like so intrigued by the color. I'm excited to try her. She looks so cool. Next thing I got is from Tula. I have literally so much of Tula like skincare products. I really wanted to try out their primer, so I got the blurring and moisturizing primer. So it says 1 step from no filter needed, instantly smooth the look of uneven tone for a filter like effect. So I'm excited. Last thing I ended up getting from one of my new favorite brands, I ended up getting their Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, and it's cruelty free, toxin free, gluten free, and it's vegan, so you have nothing to worry about. 100% worry free. And a lot of these ingredients I can read, so when you can read an ingredient, you know what should be good for you. And I just really wanted to see what the hype was about. If I already like the serum and the moisturizer, I know for sure I'll like it 10 times more if I have the cleanser to go along with it. Alright guys, I got it. And I use candle. No, seriously, let's stop playing. Alright y'all, so NIE's candle, they're a New York brand. They from your girl hometown, home city, like they some city girls just like me. But I got sent so many things, and I'm just so excited because you guys know one thing about your girl. I love me some home decor, especially when they're like unique pieces that you cannot find nowhere else. Literally, stop. literally stop right now because I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. First of all, y'all, the packaging. Are you kidding me? I love the white and gold. This is so beautiful. Look at this. So obviously, as you guys know by their name, they sell a whole like bunch of variety of candles. Not just candles though. They have different like glassware to choose from, which is super unique, super different, and it's all handmade. They have really nice vases to choose from as well that are super unique as well. And this is actually the first candle. This candle is so cute. Oh, this one is big. This one is the Medusa candle. This one I know about Medusa. But no, look at her. She looks so cute. This candle is the one in Rome tulip candle. Like, are we kidding? This is so cute. Candles definitely give a room. And it smells so good. Like, I just can't wait. Oh my gosh, this one has a bow too. I love the packaging. I kind of have something similar to this too in my room. Y'all know I love sculptures and stuff like this with like the body. She's so cute. I love her too. These all smell good. I have to smell every single one. I feel like it's Christmas right now because I don't know what these candles are. So they sent me two of these. This one is called the Magnificent Roman Column. This cute little pillar. You can put whatever you want to put on top, obviously. So once again, shout out to NIE's Candle for sending over all these candles. Again, the quality, everything is amazing. I'm just super excited to see how these are gonna look.